Mwanjomo ligereli omo senata machale kurwase county ya Kisii omo subati Gloria Orwoba niganya tokabaga gukio muswada bosibwe Sanitary umanyikitabuna Sanitary travel spill ojuo ogochi gokonya oise kubanga gwetirwa gokonya abana abaiseke konyora ibitamba biri byobochenu ase chinjira cyobwerero cyobororo gwetera asokubwatrana egati ye serikali gosegati ye serikali no botenderi litukulia lero nigo muswada uyo nyara kabaga gosomwa ase entunda ya kabere ngakyo nyara kabaga kororekana gokagenda tekonyora ogosirwa kurwase egati y'abaseneta.
Even some of the members of the both parliaments, the Senate and the National Assembly, when their daughters or their nieces they are coming to them saying, please, can I have 500 shillings for my personal use? They start telling them, what personal use? Why do you need 500 shillings? Mr. Speaker, we all know very well, unless the government of Kenya is actually procuring that sanitary towel and giving it down to the beneficial. If you are going to now give money that is intended to buy sanitary towels to a father or a mother, Mr. Speaker, we are just going to be going around in circles because we all know in these tough economic times, some other items will be prioritized more than this sanitary towel, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, my thinking and the proposal of this bill was that the actual items, which is the sanitary pads, be bought. Who is going to buy the pads? Who will decide which pads to be bought? It is not someone sitting in the Ministry of Gender here in Nairobi, Mr. Speaker, but it is a committee on the grassroots level, Mr. Speaker. I come from Kisii County, Bobasi constituency. We have 8 wards, Mr. Speaker. Down on the ward level, at bare minimum, there will be a representation of those wards, Mr. Speaker, in that committee. And in that committee, Mr. Speaker, there'll be a champion on the grassroots level who will be able to come and say, okay, I've been championing, I've been going around in this constituency, and these are the pain points. These are the vulnerable schools, Mr. Speaker. On county level is also where a county will be able to tell you that we are not interested in purchasing those imported Chinese products, Mr. Speaker. It is on county level. If you go to some of these counties, they have a high uptake of such items, such as locally made, reusable.
Let me just build a small background of why period poverty and period shaming should be a thing of the past in our learning institutions and correctional facilities. Madam Speaker, I note the change on the Speaker's seat. As I rise to second this bill, the provision of Sanitary Towels Bill 2024, Mr. Speaker, as men, we must be champions of pushing to end of period shaming and period poverty in this country. So, Speaker, it should be the basics of many girls going to school. So, Speaker, are you aware every month, Mr. Speaker, our girls in both from lower level to secondary schools miss 2 to 3 to 4 days in a month.
We did say